Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson algebraic identities. Now coming to the worksheet 5, that is identity 5, isn't it? We are discussing the identity 5. What is it? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So here x plus 5, x plus 4. How to identify the fifth identity? In both the expressions, the first term is same, the second terms are different. Then it is fifth identity. First you have to find out which identity it is. They won't give the identity. They won't write this. So it will be using the suitable identity. So for that, first you have to identify which identity it will be. So x is equal to x, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. Write it and now put the values. It is x square, that is x square only, a plus b 5 plus 4 into x plus ab, that is 5 into 4. So it will be x square plus 5 plus 4 is 9 into x, that is 9x plus 5 4s are 20. X squared plus 9x plus 20. Now coming to the second question, a plus 3, a plus 6. First terms are same, the second terms are different. So here x is equal to a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6. Now x square, that is a square plus a plus b 3 plus 6 into x, that is a plus a into b, that is 3 into 6, that is a square plus 6 plus 3 is 9, a plus 3 6 are 18, a squared plus 9a plus 18. Now the third sum, it is x is equal to x. First terms are same, second terms are different. Fifth identity, a is 9 minus 9, b is 7. Now this worksheet is full of identity 5, so no need of worry, isn't it? But otherwise in the exam you have to identify. So x square plus a plus b, but here a is minus 9, b is plus 7 into x plus ab, that is a into b, x square. Now here the signs are different, so look for the difference. Subtract, बड़ा नंबर का साइन माइनस, 9 minus 7 is 2 into x minus 2x. Now in multiplication different signs, minus 9 3s are 9 7s are 63. Answer is x square minus 2x minus 63. Now coming to the fourth sum, first terms are same, second terms are different. X is equal to x, a is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 5. X square, write x squared as it is, plus a plus b 8 minus 5 into x plus ab 8 into minus 5. you have to put the brackets for calculation. Okay, this is x square. 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 3x plus, here different signs, that is why minus. 8 5s are 40. Answer is x squared plus 3x minus 40. Now coming to the fifth sum. First term same z, second terms are different, that is why fifth identity. X is equal to z, a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to minus 1. X square, that is z square, plus a plus b minus 3 minus 1. In the example itself I told, whenever there is minus, put that sign only. Okay, into x, that is z plus ab minus 3 into minus 1. This will be z square. Signs are same, so you have to add. You look for the sum, that is why add, but the signs are negative. So minus 3 plus 1 is 4, z. Signs are same in multiplication, so it will be plus. 3 1s are 3. सबको ये समझ में आया होगा? अगर पॉजिटिव है तो दोनों को ऐड करके प्लस साइन डालते हैं, अगर दोनों नेगेटिव है तो ऐड करके माइनस साइन डालते हैं. ये एडिशन का. लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्शन में सेम साइन रहेगा तो प्लस, प्लस रहेगा तो भी प्लस, माइनस माइनस रहेगा तो भी प्लस, लेकिन डिफरेंट साइन रहेगा तो माइनस. इंटीजर लेसन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द इंटीजर लेसन, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू डू एनी ऑफ द सम्स. So better be careful. Now coming to the sixth sum, it is p minus 5, p minus 4. So fifth identity, x is equal to p, a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 4. Hope you are getting the confidence, isn't it? If you do as many sums, you will get the confidence. Now x squared, that is p squared, plus bracket open a plus b minus 5 minus 4 into x, that is p, plus a into b minus 5 into minus 4. So it will be p square. सेम साइन, इसके लिए ऐड करो बट साइन माइनस डालो. 5 plus 4 is 9 into p. सॉरी, सेम साइन, इसके लिए प्लस 5 4s are 20. So you got the answer p squared minus 9p plus 20. Coming to the seventh sum. First term same, second terms are different. Fifth identity, x is equal to y, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2. So it will be x squared, that is y squared, plus a plus b minus 1 plus 2, isn't it, into x, that is y, plus bracket open a into b minus 1 into 2. So it is y square. Different signs, subtract. Bigger number is having plus, 2 minus 1 is 1. We are not writing 1 into y is y. Be different signs, so it will be minus 1 2s are 2. Answer y squared plus y minus 2. Now coming to the eighth sum. it is z plus 3 into z minus 7. So z plus 3, z minus 7. So x is equal to z, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 7. X squared, that is z square, plus a plus b, 3 minus 7, x, that is z, plus a into b, 3 into minus 7. That is z square. Different signs plus and minus, so subtract, बड़ा नंबर का साइन माइनस 7 minus 3, 4 into z, 4z. Now different signs, so minus 3 7s are 21. You got z square minus 4z minus 21. Now coming to the ninth sum, x is p, a is 8, b is minus 3. X square is p square, a plus b, 8 minus 3 into x, that is p, a into b, 8 into minus 3. P square, 8 minus 3, 5p. Different signs, minus 8 3s are 24. P square plus 5p minus 24. Now coming to the 10th sum, z plus x, z minus 5. X is equal to z, a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 5. X squared, that is z square, a plus b, 6 minus 5 into x, that is z, plus a into b, that is 6 into minus 5. Z square, 6 minus 5 is 1 into z, so you will be writing z, 1 into z, 1z, that is z. Different signs, minus 6 5s are 30. You got z squared plus z minus 30. So we have completed 10 sums. Now coming to the 11th sum, it is x minus 6, x minus 9. It is x is equal to x, a is equal to minus 6, b is equal to minus 9. Same method, only the calculations you have to be careful. X square plus a minus 6, b minus 9 into x plus a into b, minus 6 into minus 9. X square, signs are same. Look for the sum, that is add, but the sign is minus. 6 plus 9 is 15. X, same sign in multiplication, then its answer will have plus. 6 9s are 50. X square minus 15x plus 54. 12th sum, x is equal to minus 10, x is equal to x, a is equal to minus 10, b is equal to 9. X squared as it is, plus a is minus 10 plus b is 9 into x plus a into b minus 10 into b. X square minus plus, different signs. Subtraction we have to do. So bigger number is having minus. 10 minus 9, 1. 1 into x, 1x. So we will be writing directly x. Different signs in multiplication, minus. 10 nines are 90. So answer is x square minus x minus 90. Now coming to the 13th sum. Total 15 sums are there in this, isn't it? So it is x is equal to y and a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 4. Okay, now x square, that is y square, plus a plus b minus 4 plus 4, okay, into x, that is y, plus a into b, that is y square plus 0 into y, plus minus minus, 4 fours are 16. So you got the answer here, y square, this is 0 into y, it will be 0, isn't it, minus 16. So you will be getting the answer y squared minus 16. So this is by using which one? It is a fifth identity. So in this worksheet you will be doing this method. Otherwise this can be written as y minus 4, y plus 4. It can be taken as a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Remember third identity where a is equal to y and b is equal to 4. If it comes for the exam, you can do either this way or this way, because first terms are same, second term only the signs are different. So that is the third identity. So directly it will be a squared, it is y squared minus b squared, that is y squared minus 16. Same answer you got. Okay. If they say according to fifth identity, you have to do this method. If they don't say anything, you can do any method. If they say third identity, you have to go according to this. Okay. Now coming to the 14th sum. It is x is equal to x, a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 14. Are you understanding? See, only in this sum we are having this type of a confusion. याद रखो, फर्स्ट टर्म सेम है, सेकेंड टर्म नंबर सेम है लेकिन साइन अलग है, तो आप लोग ये मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. चलो अभी 14th sum, it is x square, as it is x square, a is minus 4, b is minus 14 into x plus a into b minus 4 into minus 14. एक्स स्क्वायर, सेम साइन है तो ऐड करने का, बट साइन माइनस है. 14 + 4 इज 18 एक्स. अभी सेम साइन है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, प्लस 14 4 इट इज 56. आंसर इज एक्स स्क्वायर minus 18x plus 56. Now coming to the 15th sum under this section. X is x itself, a is -8, b is -2. Put it within the bracket. Chalo, it is x square plus -8 -2 into x plus a into b, -8 into -2. That is x square, same sign, so add, but the sign is minus. 8 plus 2 is 10 x. Signs are same, so multiplication में plus आएगा. 8 2s are 16. Answer is x squared minus 10x plus 16. Is it clear? So we have completed the worksheet 5, question number 1. It's having 15 sums. Hope you are confident of this type of sums, isn't it? When you do so many sums, you have to be confident. Bye. Thank you.